So Bodie came outside to help me record a video, and he was just telling me that he wanted all you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Right, bud? Ugh. So why does Summer every year try to hang on? Like, give us a little teaser a couple of days, like, oh, it's a little cool, you ready for fall? And then it comes back in like, you know what, turn that thermostat up and it's still summer. Like, go away. Nobody even likes you. So we've got some updates on the most recent project we've been talking about on YouTube. So we'll talk about those today. And then also, we are in the process of possibly buying 2-ish more properties. I say ish because one's a duplex, but we'll talk about that later. And then we also might be selling one of the properties that we own. Not official yet, but we'll talk about that later too. So let's get back to this house and talk about some of the updates. So there's an airplane. I'll show you. There it goes. So the garage is all done. The brown siding had to come down. It was beyond repair, beyond just kind of painting over it. So we have sided it with vinyl siding. We did white to kind of match the trim and the gutters and everything from the blue house, the cotton candy blue house. And then we've got some updates in the master bedroom, the main bathroom, and the kitchen.